Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change voice on Discord using a voice changer. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to Google and type in clownfish voice changer and select the top link. Then you want to select download at the top, which will bring you to this page, and you want to select the correct download for your system. When you do this, download will begin in the top right corner. When it's finished, you want to run the application and install this voice changer. Once the installation finished, you should see the voice changer shortcut appear on your desktop and you want to double click on it to run it. Now when you do this, you want to click in the bottom right corner and select show hidden icons, and you should see the icon right here. Now what you want to do is right click on the icon and go to setup, and you want to select microphone and you want to ensure you are using the correct microphone. Then what you want to do is open up Discord and you want to select the settings cogwheel in the bottom left corner. From here, scroll down until you get this app settings and you want to select voice and video. Now under voice settings, under input device, you want to ensure this is the same one that you just sent on clownfish. Then you can close this out, go to your server, and what you want to do is go back to show hidden icons and you want to right click on the clownfish, and from here you want to go to set voice changer, which is going to open up the voice changer. Now to use the voice changer, it's simply just a matter of selecting which voice you want to use, and when you select one of these options, your voice will be changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.